another exciting episode of Rational Investor. This is Julian with your baby powder report, reporting in from the Death Star, as you guys know, Thailand. Maybe we'll do Bitcoin first. I haven't looked at Bitcoin in a long time. Mostly I look at Ethereum. It's quite bearish. Doesn't look amazing here. I think it's just running with whatever the S&P 500 is doing. Right now, we're kind of in this, I guess you would call it a bear flag. The next target from this bear flag is here, right there. 12,000. Basically around 12,000 is the target. If this bear flag breaks down, which it looks like it got really close. But it would make sense with the number of option traders that are probably trading this, for this to just do that for a while, all the way into September. Just like do this before it eventually just does that. That's what I'm seeing as, you know, what's going to happen next with Bitcoin. I think it's going to suck as many people in as possible. Just stall until people are really bored, and then just dump hard. If I go to lower time frames, I might have a trade. But honestly, when I feel like the macro is negative, and this is telling me the trend in general is negative on all of RSI, it makes me not want to trade the asset as much. So yeah, if I was going to short this, I would take a short from like 21,800, something like that. Because it is coming into a short zone in the 1 hour. 15 minute, I feel like it's useless. 2 hours, not bad. Something like that. Yeah. I think it doesn't look great, but as long as it's holding up with this trend line, I think it's okay. But eventually, we're gonna have to dump and head lower. You know, it's kind of getting squeezed between this 50 EMA, trend heuristic channel, and this uptrend line. Quite the dilemma for Bitcoin here. I'm gonna look at Ethereum. 7 here, so that explains why it jumped. But this is not looking good on all these time frames. Massive divergence in the 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 and 9 coming in. See the 9 flashing on top of the mark. And even on the weekly, you've got a 7. So something has to be, you know, going on here, and you have to be careful. These moves in crypto are just a bit absurd. Let's see if RSI broke down from here. I don't think it did, but okay, so no breakdown. But the 789 is a big reversal area. Question is, where does Ethereum go from here? Where do we go? There's no real M tops at all. There could be a higher low that forms here. There's no M tops. I feel like I'm kind of a bit lost on where I can draw. Like Ethereum, I feel like I can reshort. See how it came back up while I said that gold didn't. So you can see the difference here. I guess, you know, this would be your AB, and then your CD would just be right here. It just brings you down to 1247, which isn't even below the lows. But I do see a lot of demand for Ethereum, so it doesn't surprise me too much. Well, we did break down from the uptrend channel, right? So that in itself is quite a bearish sign. Focus on hunting lower time frame setups. 1 hour. Starting to reverse. 30 minute. Starting to like kind of reverse. No, not really yet. 2 minute. Yeah, starting to sort of reverse. It's very noisy though. This is very, very noisy. This is the zone it's playing in. You can see it's running in a serious resistance at this uptrend line. And you frequently see this all the time. See, look how many times it tagged this uptrend line. But if I go to higher time frames, it's hard to like even notice. That's Ethereum. I think, you know, potential for an ABCD even here. You know, this is just a bear flag rebound. And this can take us down to here, 1,000, yeah, 1,200, exactly like I said before.